Gwetana mbere kwa Rigathi Gachagua gukarira giti kia munini wa rais Nandi kurenja rene chia abunge nyuma ya mubunge wa KIBWEZI West MWENGI MUTUSE gukinyithia mbungene MUSWANDA jo kwingata Gachagua obisine. Gachagua arumiri ni MAITIA IKUMI NEMWE jario gwitongithia na mbecha cha mwingi kwagira gitio Rais Ruto gutumira mibango ya kugaukania Kenya na MAITIA jangi nkabo. Boniface Mongera katwambiririe nteto chietu.
Members at the bar, take the nearest seats.
Na kia muthia ngutire shirito shirishi nteto sha umantu kwenarwa imubunge kumoroterwa KIBWEZI West MWENGI MUTUSE urote musonda ko beremunyo Rais Gachagua gitene
Order.
Muswanda JUJU ijoko jerero speaker obungere Moses Wetangura kwithira jo ikinyithia namba yabunge bara kwithira bakendekana igana rimwe 17 iri nyuma yabunge magana jeri 90 no kwithira baikira kirole kujitithia na mbere.
I will demonstrate with videos, I will demonstrate with affidavits, I will demonstrate with documents that the man holding the office of the Deputy President has violated the same law that he saw to protect in his own oath of office.
Mubunge MWENGI MUTUSE uredero wa akiri na thekire thinkingo ne DP Gachagua MAITIA IKUMI NEMWE jamanene na jotera kuikwagira gitikiu kia waivo na nyankoroki MAITIA ja UNGUMANIA.
By using his office to unjustly enrich himself, by using his office to acquire within 2 months properties well beyond 55.2 billion. And Mr. Speaker, I will demonstrate before this House that during the presidential debate, if I may be listened to, Mr. Speaker, that during the presidential debate, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua did declare that he was worth 800 million. We are aware that he's paid slightly over 1 billion, meaning that for the last 2 years, the match he could have accumulated justly is about 24 million. But I would demonstrate before Kenyans that he has properties to himself, the ones that I was able to get in my time of research, worth 5.2 billion Kenya shillings. This is what we call unexplained assets.
Monekanezo bunge baba inge obategera no kwibokaria werubo bwinge betayari buruko dira bamutikira Gachagua akwara yoka wenda amuna ku ibarombete kudira kuno karebo kungana kayite na udida nambere musonda jojo.
Mr. Speaker, we want those 291 members of parliament to turn up here the day of voting, Mr. Speaker, without missing any one of them, Mr. Speaker.
We are not dealing with an ordinary matter. We are not dealing with an ordinary man. We are dealing with a black man with a very black heart.
Not only do we have to protect the lives of 291 members of parliament who have appended their signature there, we must also protect the system. The IG must protect the president to the hilt. Because you know the kind of a constitution we have. Any reckless thug can decide to change the course of history.
Bunge bonde bakuma kauntemero dharakanithi amwa embu bekirite kirore nteto ezi arangaro ko wingi na ku mwana jwa bunge 55 na barageta kwikira kirore baba ingi beba kuma kauntemuranga barani mogwanja ndini nyoro ari amwa bo
starting from Kangema, Kandara, Gatanga, Kegumo and Maragua. In those respective constituencies, there is presented under Article 1(2), we have expressed ourselves clearly that we should vote. They have said clearly that we should vote no to this motion.
Whatever you do to one person, remember we say that what comes around always goes aloud.
That the reason the broad-based government was formed is and was to kick out Rigathi Gachagua.
Corona ku musonda jo kedo jo gitira nkindo shonde sha bunge nene kenda jumba kwedo jo kuroka na wetakire bunge senate na nonto nande musonda jo kwedura jo iri kirombere bunge nene kulingana na sheria cha bunge kana standing order so tumba kwedura jo kebebirwa kaire nonga mova rone bunge MUTUSE akedura kinyonkuru kana kura katika shughuli je onde na ukarikite unande ndoje katika bunge na munyo Rais Rigathi Gachagua irethari Rais Ruto ekwedura kinyoro mutapa na kwedura kiendera kire bunge senate ara senators 45 bakedura bakendekana kenda kuringa kura ekumupire gitene ngiriportera ntoshoro TV kumajika rone bya bunge kengi nangine nekineke mushoni Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.